Hello, everyone. I hope you all guys will be fine. Did you know that can we make a delicious sweetie candy just in 10 minutes? So yeah, it's possible because you are following Delicious Kitchen. So this recipe needs those ingredients which we can easily find in our kitchen, such as almond butter, milk, and some dry fruits. If you are excited for this recipe, so let's start the delicious recipe without wasting the time. Take a bowl and then add flour and milk powder in it. Now mix it well. Take some plastic cups and then grease them from oil. Now add some dry fruits in it. Now add desi ghee or cooking oil in the pan. Add some amount of sugar in it. Now melt it at low to medium flame. Now add flour, which was initially showed in video. Again, mix it well. Now pour it in the plastic cups. Now set it well with spoon. Now separate them from cup. Viewers, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel and always support me. Now also separate it from bowl. Now the famous and sweet candy is ready to eat. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Like and share this recipe to your friends. Allah Hafiz.